Hello, my name is Arch Brooks, and a few individuals have inquired about setting up a signature on Gmail. And today we're going to cover the steps that you need to take to do that. You want to go ahead and log into gmail.com, and it may prompt you for a user ID and a password. But because I use Gmail a lot and that information is stored in a cookie, it goes ahead and logs me into Gmail, so I can't show you the login step. And to go ahead and set up a signature for Gmail, you move over here to this gear icon and you click it, and then you move down to settings. Once you have that done, you just scroll down to signature. Here it is, signature. And you put whatever signature block that you want in here. And you can also use URLs in your signature block and whatever else other kind of information that you would like to use. And you get done with that and you click on the Save Changes, and that should have effectively set up a signature block for you. This concludes this tutorial for setting up a signature block on Gmail. Hope you enjoyed it and return to visit with us for more releases and updates. Thank you.